3 o'clock in the morning. It took me about an hour to go about a half a mile to the house. Oh, this is the blizzard in Illinois, 2011. All you see is white. This is how it's drifting. There's the house. You'll see when I step in it. Deep, really deep. Up to my waist right here. This is really bad weather. It's like the end of the world. It's hard to believe it gets 100 degrees in the summer out here. There's a truck. It's weird how it's drifting. It drifts away from the truck, but way up here high. The tractor's stuck right there. There's so much snow. Unreal. It's like 4-foot high drift right there. It's gonna snow more till around noon tomorrow, and it's gonna get real cold. It's bad.